I need to get a laptop before next week. Or I'm gonna burn all my accounts because I cannot trade. And I'm not.
Oh, you don't have a laptop?
No, my kids has laptops, very good ones, but I don't.
Hmm.
And yeah, they never gonna let me loan them for a week. No chance. Even if I bought them, they are zero chance for that.
Mobile trading is okay.
No. Last time I did that, I lost 10k. I cannot do mobile. It's
Why does this structure look different from what I was looking at earlier? Oh, wait. I didn't draw like this, did I? No. I draw like this?
yeah.
I was...
It's we had a retest on the flag yesterday. After that hourly, yeah, yeah, the hourly structure broke, and then we kind of retested. Yeah.
Yeah, the close broke,
Wait.
but... Still good hold, but yeah.
We
It kind of looked better for lower.
uh,
Each setup here, I guess.
yeah, the hourly we retested on the 4 hour. Yeah,
Oh,
on
yeah,
the
the
4 hour
hourly is
did
actually
not,
nice.
and yeah, yeah. But then we took went higher there, so that signals some
Where?
some presence of
Here.
bulls. Oh wait,
Here.
I'm looking at my own. No. The second time. Yeah, we had a retest here. Oh, Spy looks. Yeah, Spy looks weaker than Nasdaq there on that. We had a higher low there
Oh, no
on
wonder I was
Nasdaq
looking at...
on the
Okay,
hourly.
alright. What I was
Oh
looking at on my
yeah,
phone earlier is different. I was looking at Q's, not SPY. I forgot I was looking at SPY.
yeah.
Oops. Okay.
Same as
Now this
I.
looks
I
similar.
just compared my Nasdaq with your Spy. Yeah. Good morning.
That's funny. Okay, this is what I was looking at earlier. There we go. Or no.
Oh, you draw it like that. You draw it
No,
like
you could
that.
draw like this,
Yeah, you draw that. Yeah, that's true.
I think. Either way, structure is basically the same thing.
The
We're
hour,
just a lot higher here.
yeah, but on the 1 hour, it's a break and retest on the flag breakdown, right? And the 4 hour, we're holding the levels, right?
The hourly? No,
Did I do that wrong? No, I
it
don't
looks
think
the
so.
same to me, honestly. It doesn't really look different. Oh, right here, you mean? Yeah, no, we did kind of break. It was a failed
Yeah,
breakout then, technically, on the close. Hello. Not really,
yeah,
because we still have this wick here. We should have closed below the wick, I guess, but no, in terms of the actual candle close, yeah, you could say that, but we recovered pretty nicely.
yeah. That's why I said it looks a bit better on Nasdaq or QQ, because we saw that buying there after that retest. Mm-hmm. Bitcoin keeps selling though. Looks like
Mm-hmm.
it's gonna take a new low. So,
I want 55 or so. In the 50
okay.
area is what I'm looking for.
Yeah. I opened. Do you buy just the Bitcoin, or do you buy a ETF
Uh,
that's covering Bitcoin,
I had
or do you
Ethereum.
buy the physical?
I haven't really bought Ethereum in a long time though. I bought
No, I mean
Ethereum.
Bitcoin.
Oh,
How do you
Bitcoin.
buy Bitcoin?
How do I buy
Because
it?
I need
Or what
to
do I
have.
buy it on?
Yeah, I need to have another, like not the same account where I buy stocks.
Oh yeah,
I
yeah,
cannot buy
yeah, yeah,
Bitcoin
yeah,
like that.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah,
I have mine on Coinbase.
yeah.
I
Okay.
don't know what you do, but that's what I have that on.
Yeah, I never owned Bitcoin, so sadly.
Yeah, I had a lot of good crypto, like back in the day as well. It wasn't a lot of money into it, but I had Ethereum at like, what is it, 100 something bucks? That went to like 6K. I think I had like XRP at like 10 cents, and that went to like $1 something. $1.20.
Dogecoin?
No, not Dogecoin, no. Do not have that, unfortunately.
It's almost useless now.
Oh, yeah.
Also, was it with? Yeah, almost useless.
It's flagging. Flagging right here as well.
We're at the higher end though.
Mm-hmm.
Here.
Yeah, we could reject and then... But flagging on a smaller structure again here. Let's see. This is resistance though. But above here, we would actually look for, or I guess above previous hive day, we would look for the imbalance fill to 273.
Yep, I agree.
Do that.
Oh,
Yeah,
Samir.
is also...
Samir asked.
Huh? No, you say Microsoft
No,
slowed down to my level here.
Samir. The
Morning,
yeah,
morning, morning.
morning.
Waiting, Samir.
He DM'd me. Yeah, it's sold to new low. Samir, I took the IT manager work, but it looks like I will have problem in the beginning to quit so I can trade with you guys. I think I will be half an hour to 45 minutes too late for that. Not sure yet. So first week or two, I probably will not be a lot here. Then after that, I will be working at home 40% of the time, and then of course I can trade. And I think I can trade every day, but you know, never know exactly. But
Yeah, we're gonna have a crazy week when Philip's gone.
yeah. Please do that.
And have
And then I'm gonna
100K
show
week.
you all my trades, and they're like 500 points per day. And you're all gonna cry.
Yeah, we'll get it.
Philip, after 1 week, upload all my accounts. No.
Nah, you'll not. You'll not. You have
No,
good buffer, right? Yeah.
Philip's fine. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. He's
He
over a
doesn't.
million
He
now.
doesn't need us. He doesn't need us.
I don't think I need you guys, Alex, but you're definitely better trader than me, Alex. Though I'm just gonna say that. Overall, you're.
I think you go
I'm just
back
gonna
and
give you
forth
that
between
one.
that. You're like, sometimes I think I'm a better trader than you, and then you're like, sometimes I think you're a better trader. You kind of go back and forth.
No. You're a better intraday trader than me, definitely. I was gonna say that. Could be quiet about the rest, but.
Mm.
But who is the better chess player? That's the question.
Technically, it's
Technically,
me
Philip,
because my rating's higher.
his rating's higher, and
Technically,
our overall wins to losses, he has more of. He has more wins. Although I did peak at 65 or 650 something, so technically we're kind of equal. I don't think you're.
no. I picked at 678.
Oh, okay, never mind. Yeah, never mind. You're above then.
3 points. So Alex, let's see. Yeah, I think I have. Yeah, I have 60 something wins against you, and you have 57 or something. It's very close now.
Mm-hmm.
We're very equal. We equal bad. I have 60 wins, 52 losses, and we have 19 draws.
It's a lot of draws.
No.
I think that was in the
the
beginning when we
posting
didn't know
is
how to
like-
mate or something like that. when
Yeah.
yeah, that's funny.
But I kinda don't know how to mate sometimes now either. So that's fine.
Yeah, me too.
It's the best feeling in the world when you are like crushing and then draw. It's always so nice.
Video has some nice structure here. I kind of like the way this is setting up.
Yeah, right to that low and right. Yeah.
I should be worried about my
You
options
didn't do
though.
anything about the long term, right? Yeah,
What long term?
I was just gonna say that.
My options, you mean?
Yeah, your options.
No, I didn't do anything. I probably should have yesterday. Those are minus 35%. I should have cut losses yesterday, but I don't know. What am I at? Minus 45 now. Today, Theta's probably gonna eat. What's the?
No.
Let's look at the Nvidia premiums.
Yeah, so even if you get to target here, I think you will have a loss, right?
Yep.
Because the soon expires here.
Mm-hmm. The thing with options. That's the thing with options. 200.
No.
Yeah, the theta is
When
82. That's a
oh my
lot.
god.
Yeah, that's a lot. Yeah, we should cut those today. Not sure what to think today. Can't tell. Wait, I didn't even like really get a look at Nvidia. Oh wait, we're in the higher low. Retested that trend line. Could possibly hold here. I like the way this is setting up because we are holding above this 189 area, but we're still trying to flip back below this 191 breakout area. Oh, I guess it's... Nah, it really should be above here, actually. Yeah, the daily should be a break above here. So above 195, I guess, is what we'll look for. But I don't think it looks bad if we actually see this higher. Like I said, I still would like this to break upside up to 200, at least. And honestly, I think if we actually get this break above 195, we probably would see further than 200, in my opinion.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, new all-time high, right?
Yeah, maybe.
If
Yeah.
we recover over there.
Yeah, we're trying to hold this 191 area though, so I guess we'll see how we defend it and if we could get some momentum. In terms of Qs though, Rand Q. We're opening up around the same area as yesterday if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Right?
Very close to where we opened. Yes. No, we opened higher, right? EB mid. Behind. Yeah, we opened it higher than sold. Yeah, okay.
It
Selling
looks
quite a
like
lot here though.
it's kind of coiling a lot tighter here on NQ. I don't know if this is what I drew on
Yeah.
earlier, but I kind of like the way this is setting up here. Should see a
I
break
think the
really
daily
soon.
on the daily on ES, I think it looks very weak though.
No, I'd
daily.
agree. I'd agree.
Uh,
So the H setup is quite nice
Not the weekly though.
for the downside.
Not the weekly. Yeah.
If we saw downside targets, so we would look for shorts below overnight low, down a previous low of day, and then I guess previous week low. Or we could look for overnight low to hold the trend line. See some buying.
Yeah, and
Retest the upper end. Up to 960 or so. Continue to be range bound. Possibilities for today's session. Yep. Alright, we'll see.
Carlos don't believe that I will not be here for a week. Oh, we are open. Never mind.
Oh, we're open.
I see some, yeah, see some overall selling on the pre-market. It doesn't mean a lot here. We took out the liquidity at 800 here, 7995 low
Mm-hmm.
on the 5, right before the open.
Apple's seeing a lot of buying.
Yep.
Google sold a bit.
Tesla buying, yeah.
You're opening right at view up here. We have view up slightly above us, and then on NQ it's the same. Yeah. Okay, so view up is lined together on QQQ and NQ, which is good. At least I think it is anyways. I actually don't really know the significance when they don't correlate. I still need to actually get some data on that. But I'm assuming when they correlate, it's probably better. We're starting to see some selling here though. Google selling, Microsoft selling, Nvidia selling a little bit. AVGO selling, Amazon, Meta, Apple the only kind of strong one here for right now. Selling down to overnight low. If we sell down to overnight low, like I said, there's that possible scenario where we hold the lower end of the range and then hold, otherwise we'll actually see a possible breakdown below here. This is overnight low, right? I think. My QQQ one is slightly different for whatever reason.
Oh, you didn't hear me talk, though?
Nope.
No, never mind. I said Nasdaq is at overnight low, but ES hasn't taken out the liquidity on the left. This is the P-Lod on the previous session. Here. Apple really strong here, though.
Yeah,
Probably
it is.
the only ticker that's really strong now.
Microsoft is trying to buy
I
this
see selling pressure on CVD.
previous low of day here a little bit. The liquidity on SPY is where?
Mm.
Yeah, it's not invalid to take a setup before the open. It's not invalid. It just depends on your entry, I think. Like, I probably wouldn't want to take a trade right before the open, as you're pretty likely to get stopped quickly, and only because the open's pretty volatile. But I don't know, if you have an entry slightly before the open, I don't know, you could maybe take like half your position and hold the other half into the open and see if you get some more out of it, or I don't know. Structure looks weak here.
Rich, it's easy to think like, oh, we have directional moves on the open. It looks good, but actually, if you look on very low time frame, the open is often like 50 to 70 point up and down before any real move, and then you will get stopped on that. That's the problem on the open. If you don't fade one direction.
Ticker's at support here. Or not
Yeah,
Ticker.
ES took the low, by the way.
Yeah,
ES took the low.
Keys at support.
And Nvidia looks ripped though.
Yeah, it does not look good. Supposed to close that. I'm gonna close that actually.
It wasn't mean for your options, by the way. I just meant
Yeah, no,
it
I
was
know.
the
You
natural
kind of
order.
reminded me.
Mm. Vego is down 4.3% to 4.2.
Oh wow, it's not a lot.
Mm. Yeah.
It's kind of interesting.
The H pattern on the 4-hour worked, by the way. Yeah.
We're not at target
Right.
yet, though, right? I don't
Yeah,
think so.
yeah, yeah.
Are we? Not really.
No.
We
I mean,
should-
it's an 8 setup. It's beautiful
Yeah,
H on the 4.
it is breaking
what I
down.
mean.
Yeah. I feel like we could look for lower here. I almost want to short this here still.
Microsoft is holding up here with Apple coming to view up here. I have a line here, 711, where we are. Oh, it's the low on the left. Okay, I see. It's low there. Okay.
Remember, pay attention to the bigger structure here as well. We could still hold on an hourly structure for this trend line.
There's some buying there on the CVD. Not super a lot, but should pop. Never mind. Yeah.
I got filled in my NVIDIA position, by the way. 1.6. 1.66. View up retest. Yeah, nice buying.
Yeah. I said like, oh, they could be for pop and just poof. Yeah. Too slow.
Wow, look at Microsoft's candle. Wow.
Yeah, yeah. It hold a pillar there and just skyrocketed with view up retrace on Apple. Meta held here also, Tesla also. Yeah, no wonder it popped a lot. Nvidia is buying up again. And that's
This could be a retest still for sure, though. At least
Yep.
for me. Actually, I almost want to try it. Not gonna lie.
above open price here on Nasdaq. Does the hourly need to close here to pull? Okay, okay, we're already here on the upside. Oh,
Yeah,
no.
we're back inside holding.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, this is kind of expected for Microsoft, though. 383 is very, very good support after that sell from 400. So this actually kind of makes sense here. Spy's gonna fill this 5-minute imbalance. Oh yeah, it's already here. Q's might go for it as well. Tigger's back at resistance here. Still might try to short this. Might be a bit risky though, not gonna lie.
It's just a strong buy. Fill imbalance on ES here, 6863, but some tickets are really strong here. I need to look at the higher time frames here again after that sell. Other daily, we're still holding that 700 area, right? On the wicks for now.
Yeah, 4 hour we just tapped back into the lower end of that range. Saw some
Yeah.
buying there.
I filled imbalance below. We have balance fill at 709 on 30.
Yeah, we could actually continue to create a lower high here. Or it's stuck right in the middle of the range here. It's a funny spot, I think. But yeah, above overnight high, we'd probably look for we'd probably get what was it? Yeah, probably get our lower high up to 607 on
On
Qs.
on, lo on lower time frame, this looks like a fair breakdown. On the 5 here. No. But that was on use, so I wonder if you get a retest lower or not.
Slight resistance here on the hourly. $900 psych. Ooh, we're at squeezing.
Yeah, on the hourly on ES here, look, we kinda took the low buying. Should possibly have room here if it wants to keep going.
Wow, that is a crazy 5-minute candle.
Yeah, that's an.
I just realized that is a crazy 5-minute candle. Oh, that's only 100 points actually. Oh, maybe it's not that crazy. It looks
Yeah.
big though. Looks a lot bigger than what it actually is, which
Yeah.
I guess is good for us.
Yep.
SPY overnight high here. We have data today? Oh, we do. Consumer confidence at 10.
Okay. Get to hell holiday. Nice.
I think I'm gonna play the retest here into support. Alright, to resistance. This is gonna be a very risky reversal setup, I think. Don't hate the idea though. Data 10 minutes.
Yeah, I also think this looks strong, but.
Let it squeeze here. 60.
In the 4 hour, we recovered that trend line, right?
Oh yeah,
So-
yeah. I'm
yeah.
looking for the retest here.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. That Apple move is crazy.
Okay, I'm in short. What am I in at? 53. I'm gonna look for overnight high retest here.
So your stop is at 83 then?
Mm-hmm. I thought I got a 61. Like higher 50 there, but whatever. Now we're looking for overnight high retest down. That should move pretty quickly though.
This looks still very strong. But yeah.
Some tickets are at slight resistance for me, so I'm kind of just looking for them to pull back a little bit.
Yeah.
It's gonna be more of a micro
Yeah, yeah.
scalp here, so you guys know.
Be careful of data.
Yeah, we got data in 10. We should have enough time for this if we actually get a retest. I want. Not looking for a lot here. 20. We should trim here.
Did you trim, Alex?
No, I'm about to right now.
Hmm.
1 second, come on. Okay, there we go. I trimmed. Out half. Got filled at 18. I'm gonna leave stop the same. Let's see if we get some runners here. Possible risk-free trade. Or this would be a risk-free trade. This is gonna be BE if we... we should actually take that full. That was actually 40 points. Yeah, I'm gonna take a little dip down. I'm gonna set stop as new high. New high of day. 64. Oh, I missed my exit there at 11.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah, I didn't get a good trim there.
What did you get?
It's quite bad
I
trim.
got 18. It's not bad.
Let's see. Oh, 19.5, 50. Okay, it's not horrible. No, it's not horrible. Yeah. But I could have gotten 09.
Yeah, one little dip lower here. You could even do breeze stops here if you really want to. Risk-free trade.
Yeah.
I just have it at new highs.
Yeah, this is going against the
Okay.
trend.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all we were really looking for there.
Yeah.
This might be our
Apple
exit
could
here.
see some selling where, yeah.
Yeah, I'm just looking to see a little bit of selling before data here. Retrace some of this move a bit. Possibly retest, like I said, overnight high here. B is valid. Maybe we should do B instead of putting 10 points of risk on. It's not bad.
I look strong here, buying back it already here. Let's see, micro. I could still sell here.
Yeah, we could still sell this. There we go. I kind of want to take some more off, not gonna lie.
I'm out. One more there. At
Nice.
18.75. That's great. Decent.
I'm doing B, whatever. Stops the B for me. If I get tagged, I get tagged.
Because tickers look really strong here, but we
Yeah.
could still see this go down
I think if we
quite a
get
lot.
BE here, we'll, oh, here we go, there's my
Yeah.
exit. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah, I'm
yeah.
out. I'm out. Oh, 907.
Nice, nice.
Nice, yeah.
Yeah, I'm out here also. Yeah.
Nice.
905!
Nice.
I just don't want MQ. Just one MQ. Oh, it did go to overnight high there. Yeah, yeah. It directed to overnight high there. The funny thing there is that many of tickets didn't even back this there. Like
Yeah,
Apple,
no, some did. Microsoft did.
Tesla.
Yeah, it's just
If
other tickers
yeah,
lost
yeah,
momentum. They
Microsoft,
stalled.
Meta, yeah, yeah, yeah. But that, what I want to go say, if Apple and Tesla actually backtest here, it's gonna go deeper instead.
Yeah, if they do back us, yeah, we probably would sell deeper, but
Yeah.
realistically, we have data soon here, and then overall
Yeah,
relative
yeah, I'm
strength
out.
across
I'm out.
tickers.
Yeah. I
It
don't want
doesn't,
to go against this too long.
yeah, doesn't make sense for me to actually hold this through, look for a little bit longer,
No.
as there really
If we
isn't.
didn't have data, I think one runner could be possible to see
Yeah,
this
I'd
to
agree.
870.
I'd agree, but
But because of the data, it's
yeah, I think because of dad and like I said, there isn't really a lot of confluence for the short, at least for me. Like looking at
yeah.
tickers, like they're all actually pretty solid, in my opinion. Even
No.
right
Yeah.
now, still, but it's okay. I'm
No.
quite happy with that move, honestly.
Okay, so I'm kind of sad about my Apex accounts. Here I got that cell. Look at the equity. Damn it.
40 more bucks. Yeah, this actually pulled down pretty nicely. Oh, right before data. Yeah, that's all I was looking for.
Yeah.
Did I paper hand that maybe a little bit? I don't know. I guess I was a bit scared going against that. But actually, it kind of looks. No, this can still get held up.
Yeah, this is my exit here.
I really like the level
If I
though,
was holding.
honestly.
Yeah.
I really like the level we shorted, at least for me. I was looking for like 60 to 50 or so. Spy overnight high, yeah.
No, it's not sad rich.
No, not sad, but we're almost
It's fine.
100 points now from entry.
No. Stop it.
It's okay.
Apple hasn't backed us at Weave up yet. I didn't expect Nvidia to sell there, by the way, on the previous week high there.
That's what it filled the
But,
imbalance.
Yeah, it did.
Or almost filled the imbalance.
Yeah.
That's what I was kind of looking for. Imbalance got filled on that. Spy tapped into overnight high. And this is kind of just like a retrace from, I don't know, that was a little bit extended on a 5-minute for me with that little drive from the lows. So I was just looking for at least a retracement to overnight high there and possibly it continue to hold and then pull higher, but yeah, that's all I
That
was
is
looking
so
for.
scary for me because I need to quit the position 2 minutes before data.
Mm-hmm.
On the CFD, minutes before. If not, they're just gonna take away the trade and say thanks for the money, bro.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it's still good. I mean, we
2
get
minutes
netted,
before and after.
what, like 40 points? Yeah,
Yep.
40 points overall.
Yep.
So it's I'm really
Yeah.
happy with that. So
Yeah. 40 point. Yeah, it's good.
very good, very
Yeah,
good.
it's good. Yeah, I didn't see with high probability that we would see 860, like I said before, but that was the final TP on the 5 for me for this. If I had runners, but yeah, I cannot use runners when we're that close to data.
Well, nice work with
And
the
it looks
today.
scary. Yeah, it looks scary strong there, by the way. Also before that, so
No, it did. It did.
yeah, even our exit was on the flag pattern on 1 minute into overnight high, which could easily continue his strength there and we push higher. Because this is still a failed breakdown here on for now. If we don't switch this totally, of course. On the hourly, this is a retest on the trend channel, right? Yeah, it is on the upside for me. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that area. I was looking at the bigger time frame. That's why I was really waiting there. I was looking at the hourly. I don't have it drawn on this one for whatever reason, but on my other chart, I have like a little box that flows through just like this, right in the center, for the hourly structure. So it's a nice area, I think. Came across and then yeah, tapped right into that.
Oh yeah.
Oh wait, not here. Sorry, up here. Right? Where did I have it drawn out? Oh no, it was here. Right? It's a little bit wider, actually. goes up to here. So I have it up here. We pulled up into it, and then we actually wicked above. I don't know. Right? Something like this. Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
I don't know. It looks cleaner on my other chart. In the moment, I guess. But no, I like the level overall. I think the level was fine. Almost right at the resistance. So our stop placement actually was on the break, or not really at the break, slightly above. But I think it's fine. You could even look to target view up here on Qs actually. This actually sells more, but
Don't think anyone is in this.
no,
Yeah,
I doubt it. No,
I'm actually seeing weakness on CVD. I actually see weakness now on CVD overall.
this is data, by the
That's
way.
the sad part here, but we don't care. We got there. Yeah, data.
Wow,
It's
sniper
weird.
entry.
We went into the trend. Yeah, it's weird because we sold yesterday.
Yep.
Went into the resistance
Mhm.
on the trend channel, sold, and then we popped above it, and then directly sold and hard down. So I guess that's still, yeah. So if they took out of the higher there, this could be still a failed breakout, and we actually turn down again, right?
I don't think this is. We
Am I
didn't clear the
looking at
highs
it wrong?
for me. We're still holding structure
No.
inside.
Yeah.
4 hour, right? We just wicked below, came back up,
and
came up to the upper end of the range, sold it.
wicked. Yeah, we wicked on both ends, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just consolidating here.
It's an instruction. Yeah.
Very nice, very nice. Okay, well, I think we'll call it. Anybody questions on that trade? This is pretty quick. I mean, looking at it, yeah, it looks a lot better now, obviously, but
I would have not seen that. Yeah. Yeah, it looks a lot better. I didn't see this because of a trace at all. I'm gonna say.
I did
that.
like the longs as well,
Of course.
though, actually. I was looking to long off this 1 minute candle, or after we got this buying and then had it pop above the overnight low. I was actually looking to long if we got a retest there, but it kind of just continued. So that was another setup I was kind of looking at, but obviously we just ripped with all momentum there. So
Yeah, a lot of momentum. Great shooter. No, I don't. I would not trade this setup myself, but I see it on the higher time frame here or the hourly that we actually, yeah, makes sense, I guess. But yeah, I didn't see it when you saw it there. I'm gonna just say that. Just that some ticker could have some downside potential for backtesting, but damn, they looked strong, bro. I'm just gonna say that.
yeah,
Damn, they were flying.
nice two apples. I think took that. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome. How are we all doing? How's everybody else doing in terms of progress over these past couple weeks?
I'm personally on a new XFA, working towards a payout.
Nice, nice.
Copy trading.
Copy
I had
trading.
lost, well, like 2 months ago, I had lost my 2 accounts to Topsoft as an inactivation rule that I wasn't aware of.
Mm-hmm.
And
Oh
I wasn't trading
no.
for a month. Yeah, I took a break to like, steady up on stuff, and they deactivated. I had 2 XFAs for them, and they deactivated them shits. So, but they gave me a free account for whatever technical issues they had going on before, and I had one pass. So I'm kind of back, but yeah, kind of reset me.
It's all right. It's all right.
Oh my god. Yeah, 4 of my 5 Apex accounts is sitting at under $10 from clearing. It was just that one that was higher. This feels. I'm doing good.
That's good. I think two apples actually took that trade as well.
Yeah.
Which is nice.
How are you being able to copy trade here at 2 apples, by the way, and read Alex trades.
Yeah, does what I'm saying make sense to you? I know you've kind of been here every day since joining, so that's glad. But I'm wondering if, what you're looking at makes sense. Oh, that's good. It's good. Is it different from what you're used to seeing, I guess, or what you're used to looking at? Gotcha. Yeah, that's how it is with a lot of people that are new here. They look at my screen and they're like, "What is going on?"
So yeah, market profile, why you're actually looking at the fingerprints. They're not going to be exactly identical with fair value gap 2 apples, I think. It's going to be very similar, but not exactly similar, because the single print is gonna, I mean, it's the same kind of thing actually, that the orders needs to get filled there, right? But I don't think it's exactly on the points the same when you're doing market profile instead.
Yeah, cool. Well, I'm
Not used to you.
yeah, he's not used to my style. I don't think style of trading and I guess how I run things, which I guess is good. That means I'm
yeah.
different.
Yeah. Now I'm looking at his chart he sent on the fingerprint on the DX feed. I'm not accustomed with that.
Oh no, I have no clue what I'm
I'm
looking
trying
at.
to
I'll be
figure out.
honest. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's the prints there on the.
Oh, the bar. Oh.
Yeah. Yes. I think it's more precise actually.
No,
That
I'd
way.
agree. But it's definitely
yeah. But I don't think it's mattered that much though.
takes more time to
Just
read.
a
I'd say.
confluence like everything. Yeah, it does.
All right. I'm gonna call it here. My